Good morning. I wanted to give you an update on the ribbon blender. We did get this. This is a 40 horsepower SEW Eurodrive gear motor. Got it bolted up and mounted with some grade 8 hardware here. There's the nameplate, 40 horsepower, and then 1800 RPM motor going to a ratio 22 to 1 ratio, taking off the 1783. So the output of this shaft is 81 RPM. 81 RPM here. We got the double sprocket in yesterday. That's a 35 tooth double sprocket for a 140 chain. The bushing came for as well yesterday, so we just got it mocked up there right now. We'll get it permanently mounted once we get the chain and get it slid back to where it's aligned with the sprocket up here. The sprocket we got the chain in yesterday, but they sent us single strand 140 chain instead of double strand 140 chain. So it was their mistake that put us back slower than what we would have liked to have been. So they're working a second day air it. The plan is for the double roller chain to be here tomorrow. So we'll get the chain on. We will get it linked up, and then we just went ahead and unbolted the drive guard while we did that work, and then get it bolted back in. And then our plan is to put power to the gear motor and run the blender. The RPM of the blender is going to be roughly 35 RPM on the blender, which for 100 cubic foot, that's going to be about right. So we'll know more once we get the chain on and actually put some power to it, so we can do a test run, a demonstration of it. But that's the update, and certainly appreciate your business. If there's anything else, any questions or any other details that we can help you with, just let us know. Thank you so much.